Today we will do example based on Gram-Smith orthogonalization process. So our first example is orthonormalize the set of linearly independent vectors 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 1 1 of V4. So here we have given three bases of V4 and we have to calculate orthonormalized set of linearly independent vectors. So solution. Now according to Gram-Smith process, first we will give the name of these bases. So we have U1 as 1 0 1 1, U2 as minus 1 0 minus 1 1, U3 as 0 minus 1 1 1. Now we have to calculate V1, V2 and V3. So we know that V1 is nothing but U1 only. So V1 is equal to U1. This is nothing but 1 0 1 1. Now V2 is equal to U2 minus inner product of U2 V1 upon norm of V1 square into V1. So U2 is minus 1 0 minus 1 1 minus we have U2 as minus 1 0 minus 1 1 dot 0 minus 1 1 1 dot V1 0. Actually this is not 0, 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 1 1 upon norm of V1 square. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So this is equal to minus 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 0 1 1 upon 3. So this become minus 1 0 minus 1 1 minus this to get cancelled, so minus it become plus. So plus 1 by 3 0 1 by 3 1 by 3. So on calculating this we will get as minus 1 plus 1 by 3 0 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 and 1 plus 1 by 3. So this is equal to minus 2 by 3 0 minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. So this is V2. Now we have to calculate V3. So V3 is given by V3 is equal to U3 minus inner product of U3 V2 into V2 divided by norm of V2 square minus inner product of U3 V1 into V1 divided by norm of V1 square. So this is equal to 0 minus 1 1 1 minus U3 is 0 minus 1 1 1 dot V2 is minus 2 by 3 0 minus 2 by 3 4 by 3 dot V2 we have minus 2 by 3 0 minus 2 by 3 4 upon 3 divided by norm of V2 square. So 4 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9 plus 16 upon 9 minus again 0 minus 1 1 1 into V1 we have 1 0 1 1 into 1 0 1 1. We have already calculated norm of V1 square, which is 3. Now this is equal to 0 minus 1 1 1, and this become 24. So 9 upon 24, and this is now 2 by 3, 0 0, minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, 0, minus 2 by 3, 4 by 3, minus again this become 0 0, 1 plus 1, 1 0 1 1 upon 3. So we have 0 minus 1 1 1 minus 9 by 24 into 2 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 2 12 are 24, minus 2 by 3, 0, minus 2 by 3, 4 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 1 0 1 1 1. Now we have to solve this. So this is equal to 0. This is 3 upon 12. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 1 by 4 minus 2 upon 12 minus 2 by 3. Now second, minus 1 plus or minus 0 minus 0. Third one we have 1 minus minus plus. So this is also plus and this is minus. So minus minus plus, 2 by 12 minus 2 by 3, and last term we have 1 minus 4 upon, or we can say 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So we are getting V3 as minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 0. So the orthogonal set is set 1 0 1 1 comma minus 2 by 3 0 minus 2 by 3 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 comma 0. So this is the orthogonal set, but in this question it is asked to find orthonormal set, so we have to construct orthonormal set. So we know that if we want to construct orthonormal set, then we have to find unit vector. So unit vector of V1 is, suppose this is W1, so V1 upon norm of V1. W2 is equal to V2 upon norm of V2. W3 is equal to V3 upon norm of V3. So set containing element W1, W2 and W3 is orthonormal set. So we have to construct that set. So to construct this, we know norm of V1 is 3. V1 square is 3. So this implies norm of V1 is equal to under root 3. Now for norm of V2 square, we have answer as 24 by 9. So we are getting norm of V2 as 2 by 3 under root 6. Now we have to calculate norm of V3 square. So this is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 6 upon 4. So this implies norm of V3 is equal to under root 6 by 4. So this can be written as under root 6 upon 2. Now W1 is equal to 1 upon root 3, 0, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, because W1 is V1 upon norm of V1, and W2 is equal to V2, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 into under root 6 upon 2, 0, minus 2 by 3 into 2 by under root 6, and 4 by 3 into 2 by under root 6. So this is equal to this is 3 by 2 root 6. 3 by 2 root 6. So 3 to 3 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 to 2 cancel, 3 to 3 cancel, 3 to 3, 2 to 2. So this become minus 1 by root 6, 0, minus 1 by root 6 and 2 by root 6. So this is W2. Now for W3 we have minus 1 by 2 into 2 by root 6, minus 1 into 2 by root 6, minus 1 by 2 into 2 by root 6 and 0. So this become, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we have minus 1 by root 6 minus 2 by root 6 minus 1 by root 6 comma 0. So the orthonormal set is, normal set is one upon root 3, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, comma, minus 1 by root 6, 0, minus 1 by root 6, 2 upon root 6 into, next our element is minus 1 by root 6, minus 2 by root 6, minus 1 upon root 6. So this is the set of orthonormal vectors. Next question, find orthogonal basis of F3 minus 1 to 1 starting from the basis 1x x square x cube. Use inner product defined by this. So we have to use this definition for the inner product. So solution, first of all we have u1 as 1, u2 as x, u3 as x square and u4 as x cube. Now initially we are supposing that v1 and u1 are equal, so v1 is equal to 1. Now v2 is equal to u2 minus inner product of u2 v1 upon norm of v1 square into v1. Now here we have to find u2 and v1, so we can't put directly value of 1 and x over here. Instead of using that, we will use u2 dot v1 as minus 1 to 1. F of t means u of t, so u2 is what, x, into v1 is 1. So instead of x we are writing t, so dt. So integration of t is t square upon 2 minus 1 to 1. So this become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, norm of v1 square is equal to inner product of v1 and v1. This is equal to minus 1 to 1, 1 dt. Since value of v1 is 1, now t integration from minus 1 to 1. So this become 1 minus of minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we will put value of this over here. So u2 we have x minus u2 dot v1 getting 0. So v2 is x. So we can write v2 is equal to x. Now to calculate v3, v3 is u3 minus inner product of u3 dot v2 upon v2's norm square minus u3 v1 upon norm of v1 square v1. So u3 we have x square minus, we have to calculate this again, we will do this calculation separately. So u3 dot v1, so inner integration from minus 1 to 1, u3 we have x cube, so t cube dot t square, so t square dot v1 as 1, so t square dt. So this become t cube by 3 minus 1 to 1. So this is 1 by 3 minus minus plus 1 by 3. So this is 2 by 3. So u3 dot v1 we are getting 2 by 3. So u3 dot v2 is equal to minus 1 to 1. u3 we have t square and v2 we have x. So t square t, this become t cube dt. So this is t raised to 4 upon 4 integration range from minus 1 to 1. So this become 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 as 0. So we have already norm of v1 square. So norm of v1 square is 2. Now norm of v2. So v2 dot v2 is equal to integration from minus 1 to 1. v2 we have x. So x into x, x square. So in the terms of t, this become t square dt. So t cube by 3 minus 1 to 1. So this become 1 by 3 minus minus plus 1 by 3. This is equal to 2 by 3. So norm of v2 square is equal to 2 by 3. Here u3 dot v2 we are getting as 0. Now minus u3 dot v1 we are getting as 2 by 3, and v1 square is again 2 dot v1 we have as 1. So we are getting answer as x square minus this 2 and 2 get cancelled, 1 by 3. So v3 we are getting x square minus 1 by 3. Next we want to calculate v4. So v4 is equal to u4 minus inner product of u4 dot v3 upon norm of v3 square dot v3 inner product of u4 and v2 upon norm of v2 square minus inner product of u4 v1 upon norm of v1 square dot v1. So u4 is x raised to 3. Again we have to calculate. So first we will do calculation separately. So first one, u4 dot v3. So minus 1 to 1, u4 we have x cube. So t cube dot v3 we are getting as t square minus 1 by 3 dt. So minus 1 to 1 t raised to 5 minus 1 by 3 t cube dt. So on integrating this we are getting t raised to 6 by 6 minus t raised to 4 upon 12 minus 1 to 1. So 3 is already there and 4 is multiplied with 3. So this become 4. Now 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 minus of 1 by 6 and minus minus plus 1 by 12. So these two get cancel and these two get cancelled. So we are getting answer as 0. Now u4 dot v2. So minus 1 to 1, u4 is t cube and v2 we have t dt. So minus 1 to 1 t raised to 4 dt. So this become t raised to 5 upon 5 minus 1 to 1. So 1 by 5 minus minus plus 1 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. Now u4 dot v1. So minus 1 to 1 t cube v1 is 1 dt. So this become t raised to 4 by 4 minus 1 to 1. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, this become 0. Now norm of v3 square is equal to v3 dot v3. Now minus 1 to 1, v3 dot v3 is t square minus 1 by 3 the whole square. So this become minus 1 to 1 t raised to 4 minus 2 by 3 t square plus 1 by 9 dt. On integrating this we are getting t raised to 4 by 4 minus 2 by 3 t cube by 3 plus 1 by 9 t minus 1 to 1. So on putting 1 and minus 1, 1 by 4 minus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4 minus minus plus 2 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So we are getting answer as 1 by 4 minus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9. So these two terms get cancelled and we are getting this as 9 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So this get cancelled. So minus 2 by 9 as norm of V3's. We have done one mistake. This is t raised to 5 by 5. So this is 1 by 5 and this is minus 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, so this term is not getting cancelled. So this is minus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 5. So on solving this, we are getting 9 5s are 45 minus 10 plus 18. So 8 upon 45 as norm of V3's square. So on substituting all the value in this, so U4 dot V3 is 0. So this entire term becomes 0. Now U4 dot V2 is 2 by 5 into V2 we have V2 as x upon norm of V2 square we have already calculated. This is 2 by 3 minus U4 dot V1 as again 0. So x cube, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus 3 by 5 x. So this is our V4. So we are getting V4 as this x cube minus 3 by 5 x. So the orthogonal set is V1 as 1, V2 as x, V3 as x square minus 1 by 3, and V4 as x cube minus 3 by 5 x. So this is orthogonal set. If it is asked to find orthonormal, then we will calculate norm of V4 square. So this is equal to minus 1 to 1 t cube minus 3 by 5 t dt whole square. So t raised to 6 minus 3 by 5 t raised to 4 plus 9 by 25 t square minus 1 to 1 dt. So on integrating this, we are getting answer as t raised to 7 divided by 7 minus 1 to 1 minus 3 by 5 t raised to 5 by 5 minus 1 to 1 plus 9 upon 25 t cube by 3 minus 1 to 1. So 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7 minus 3 by 5 1 by 5 minus minus plus, then again minus, or simply we can write 1 by 5 minus minus plus 1 by 5 plus 9 upon 25 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So this, okay, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. So this become 2 by 7 minus 3 by 23, and here it is 2. Okay, this is 3 to the 6. So 6, here also 6. So 6 to the 12 by 25 plus 9 to the 9 to the 18 upon 3 into 25. So this become 2 by 7 minus 12 by 25 plus, if we get this 3 cancelled, so 6 upon 25. So on taking LCM, 25 into 7, so 2 into 25 50 minus 84 plus 42. So we are getting this as 8 divided by 175. So norm of V4 is equal to under root 8 divided by 175. So we can say this is 2 root 2 5 upon under root 7. So orthonormal basis is the orthonormal normal basis or orthonormal set is, first one we have 1. So 1 upon norm of V1, so 1 upon root 2. Next we have V2 as x upon its norm. So this is 2 by root 3. Next we have x square minus 1 by 3 upon 2 by 3 under root 45. Next we have x cube minus 3 by 5x upon 2 by 5 under root 2 by 7. So we can simplify this further. So 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2x, 3 by 2, this is 2 by 5, so 3 by 2, root 5 by root 2, x square minus 1 by 3, so 5 by 2, root 7 by 2, x cube minus 3 by 5 x. So this is the orthonormal basis for the given basis, and we have already calculated orthogonal basis.